guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. Why enough things, enough issues, enough concerns, but we're just like one wallet. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe right now. Click the notification bell so every time I drop something you see it. All right, so like, share. Where you want, Joe?
That's I said good night.
Alright, cool. So, games night, cookings, on the ends. Ready?
Ready, Arwa? Come ready, you know. Ready, where bunny? No worry yourself. See, Orient take off all him shirt. Come on, come. One boss. Yeah, no hands.
No what? No hand?
No hands. The bag is already open.
Ready, the man?
You ready, the man?
Ready? After three, wait, Jesus.
Hey, no man. Wait.
Hey,
You ready?
That's not a good sign, Orient. That's not a good sign.
what? At your man them. I own a bed pan.
Alex.
I feel like a young man.
No love.
No water, no drinks, no tapping out.
No, sir.
No love.
No man, but Orient in the lead, man.
One more bag Orient out.
Mommy, fat man thing. Fat man thing.
Whoa!
Brother, you can't hold it, brother.
Alright!
Oh!
Come in, Alex. Come in, Alex.
Eat anything drop off you eat, you know. Wanna try to make it blow away? Now come up, wanna watch. Hurry and bust now. Oh God, last bite this. Brandon, your boss.
Orient done.
Come. Open your mouth.
Now, buddy, is in context. You're smart. You start small. When we see all of them start, I'm here shot them said, yeah man. Alex is not the lead and Brandon hear me. Experience buddy.
Like your belly full already. So me stress out for you.
A liar, crackers girlie.
Go! Take it up fair, take it up fair, take it to Bashi. Try not stand up, you know, cause you feel everything I move go. The crackers them sharp, you know. So you try not stand up straight.
Yes, Dash.
No!
Show them your boss, yes.
Hey! 4 crackers, enough crackers still, you know. Focus, she put her phone.
Well done, Tash.
Well done.
Done, fantastic.
Yo, they can catch her walking up. Swallow.
Oh no, sir! And then cut up your throat.
Come, Tony. What, Tash? I go. Swallow.
What's that cut your Tash?
Hold them, Tash.
Watch out.
Open your mouth. Eh?
Crackers them bono. Excelsior, fix it. 2, 1, go! Boy, Alex, one at a time, man. Crime. Go, Romario, go. Go, Romario, go.
Alex. I'm not sure what you're talking about.
And that, hey, Miss Jackie, cash walk. Stop that. Hey, Alex! Well, I feel nervous when I'm just a bit. Voodoo.
One moment.
Come in, man, and enjoy.
I said 3. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Yeah, moment.
I said,
Come, Sasha!
hey, look for shop them more like a
Shop them.
Shop them more have grown like a
Shop
song.
them. Me nah lie, shop them.
Focus. What's Sasha looking very military?
Yes.
No, man.
Yes, I know, Jackie, yes!
I love fun and Pepsi eating a small. Remember?
Like more window.
Shop them with the bleach here. It's running. But last right now. But she's not far away. Here she comes pulling up in the canter. Follow close to my Sashel. The military sergeant beating her chest as she mad. And she went to the head. And she take another bite. But here come the big man, Miss Jackie. Very experienced.
Somebody pick up that dinner.
Very experienced. Good eater.
She not done if that not it.
Take- And here she goes. I can tell you this race is for who is going to come second. I am sure.
How about the first place?
We're sure about the first place. Shut them complaining. Put them out dry. Shut them out and name them out. Moving militantly. Slow and steady does it. But Miss Jackie bites again and digs into the lead. You say I was jumping over the table. Bro, you have to hold it here.
Hold it out.
And the crowd goes wild. Here we go. Shot them went for a cheer. And it is coming. It's getting very serious. The girl with the mix up here. She says she's not going to win because Jackie digs in again. I'm coming down the line. And here we go.
Hold on.
Who are them shot them?
The banana breed.
The one breeder. Then Marjorie. Here she comes. Shot them with the one breeder. She can't swallow. And Miss Jackie only have a little piece more to go. One flying all over the place. One come back. Watch it. Watch out, young man.
I do half a bun.
Look at this.
Take it up. No, Rajan, you're rude. Rajan,
The camera lady wants to see it.
What's all your disqualified?
Alright. Rajan, you think we never gonna see that? London will find you. London will participate in nothing. Just stream one eat.
Drink and then you can some. When you drink a
Let me see my cat.
and tilt it some.
Check if you can.
Like you just some.
No, mommy, show. Drink out so.
And then you use your head. Yeah.
No.
Of course, I know.
Shut them. Kids around here, shut them. That's
Shut them. See that? Yeah.
sponsored by the Juice International Foundation. In lane one, yeah, in lane one, we have the Big Belly Chef.
Yeah.
The Speedy, the youngster. In lane 3, we have the Stush Father Time. So here we go. On the marks.
Only take on the time. If you spill, you're disqualified. You
Go.
take your time.
Commentator, don't go in that camera.
And here they go.
Lando, careful, Lando, careful.
No, like Brandon win.
Alando win.
Juice that
Yeah.
This event is sponsored by Air Shield. Air Shield that makes your ear grow. Alright. On your marks. And they're going very fast. Botox is out there in the lead. Here comes Sasha, followed by Jackie coming up in the close, and she bent down the cup. And here comes Sasha. Sasha drinking like a veteran. And here comes Pork Chop. I want you to understand something. Everybody are born out the Big Belly people and at them are winning.
Yes!
Belly. Guided up by Rojan.
Hey, don't share the table.
Tried to redeem himself, he was disqualified in the 100 meter.
Don't
Here
share
come
the
Powerpuff Girls,
table.
and then we have Bleachy Poochie Gafari over there.
Bleachy Poochie. Bleachy Poochie, come in.
On your marks, set, go. And here they go and they're at it. And here comes Brianna. And this is
Oh
Brianna
God,
with
that's
the long
easy.
gut. And this Brianna with the long gut. Brianna. Tell you, fat belly people come either first or second. Check out my face. Come here, David. Let us show. See this? Pass for intermission, full time.
Hey, YouTube. Hi. Give me